Hello, welcome again. We are studying Geography of Class 9 from NCERT book under heading Contemporary India 1 for CDS and Civil Services pre-exam. The next topic in climate is the onset of monsoon and withdrawal. And the first point in this topic is the monsoon, unlike the trades, are not steady winds but are pulsating in nature, affected by different atmospheric conditions and controlled by it on its way over the warm tropical seas. So the trade winds are like that. So these are trade winds. These are easterly winds in tropical area in northern hemisphere and in southern hemisphere. These are westerly winds in southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere. These are the polar trees. Okay, so these are the fixed winds, and there is no much change in these type of winds. But monsoonal winds are not steady winds like that, like them. So they are affected by the atmospheric conditions, and as they flow over sea, they are encountered by it. Okay, so monsoon will. So the first point is the monsoon, unlike the trades, are not steady winds but are pulsating nature. Pulsating means variable in nature, affected by different atmospheric conditions and countered by it on its way over the warm tropical seas. Second point is the duration of monsoon is between 100 to 120 days from early June to mid September. So this is the duration of monsoon in India from early June to mid September. Around the time of its arrival, the normal rainfall increases suddenly and continues constantly for several days. So this is known as the burst of monsoon. So initial rain and which lasts for several days are called burst of monsoon and can be distinguished from pre-monsoon shower. Pre-monsoon shower are not for long days, for number of days. So, but monsoonal shower are initial monsoonal shower are for several days. So this is called burst of monsoon. Next is the monsoon arrives at the southern tip of the Indian peninsula, generally by the first week of June. Subsequently, it divides into the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal. So this is the first monsoonal wind, first June. So this can be said as Arabian Sea branch, and this can be said as Bay of Bengal branch. Okay. So this is the southern tip. So this is here you can see the advancing of monsoon. First June, 5th June, 10th June. This can be said as Arabian Sea branch, and this is your Bay of Bengal branch. First June, 5th June, 10th June. Okay. Next point is the Arabian Sea branch reaches Mumbai about 10 days later on, approximately the 10th of June. This is fairly rapid advance. So this is your Arabian Sea branch, and this is your 10th June scenario. And here we can say it reaches Mumbai, and on 1st June it was in Kerala. So it is fairly rapid advance. The next point is the Bay of Bengal branch also advances rapidly and arrives in Assam in the first week of June. So this is your Bay of Bengal branch. This is on 1st June, this is on 5th June, and in between it is here in Assam. Next point is the lofty mountains causes monsoon winds to deflect towards west over Ganga plain. So we can see that the monsoon is shifting towards west. 1st June, 5th June, 10th June, 15th June. So this is caused by lofty mountains. Next is by mid-June, the Arabian Sea branch of the monsoon arrives over Saurashtra, Kutch and central part of the country. So this is your 15th June scenario. This is Surashtra and this is the central part of the country, and Arabian Sea branch which is here. Next point is the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal branches of monsoon merge over the northwestern part of the Ganga plain. So this is your Ganga plain, and we can see that this is your 10th June scenario of Arabian Sea branch, and this is the Bay of Bengal branch. So they merge approximately here or here. Okay. Next point is Delhi generally receives the monsoon showers from the Bay of Bengal branch by the end of June. Tentative date is 29th of June. So this is the 30th June scenario, and the monsoon passes through Delhi. So this is your Delhi. On 29th June it reaches Delhi. Next point is by the first week of July, Western Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana and Eastern Rajasthan experience the monsoon. So by first week of July, so this is the scenario, or 30th June or first week of July. This, so some Western UP, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab and Himachal receive rain in first week of July or by mid-July. Next is withdrawal of monsoon. Sorry, by mid-July the monsoon reaches Himachal Pradesh and rest of country. So here by mid-July you can see that this is or on July we can see this. Next is withdrawal of monsoon. So withdrawal or retreat of monsoon is more gradual process as compared to arrival. The withdrawal of monsoon begins in the northwestern state of India by early September. So this is your 1st September scenario, and this is the withdrawal of monsoon. So here 1st September, 15th September, and then 1st October, 15th October, 1st November. Okay, so this is the withdrawal of monsoon. Next is by mid-October, it withdraws completely from the northern half of peninsula. So by mid-October means 15th October, northern half of peninsula. Next is the withdrawal from the southern half of peninsula is fairly rapid. By early December, the monsoon has withdrawn from the rest of the country. So this is very rapid process. So by early or first, this is 15th December scenario. So this is 1st December scenario. So it has withdrawn from the rest of the country. Next is island. So island receive the very first monsoon shower progressively from south to north from the first week of April to first week of May. The withdrawal takes place progressively from north to south from the first week of December to first week of January. By the time the rest of country is already the influence of winter monsoon. So this is your Lakshadweep and this is Andaman Nicobar, and here you can see the early June or early May 28th May is the arrival of monsoon, and here also early May is the